In this Aiwa review, I'm going to be showing you a super easy to use cloud-based website creation software that you can use for your own business to easily create your own websites or even sell them to other people for a lot of money. Make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you'll know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Aiwa, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of special bonuses here, including resell rights to a bunch of softwares here. You can get all of these bonuses if you purchase through my link. They'll all be waiting for you immediately inside of JVZoo. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says first ever artificial intelligence assisted website builder on JVZoo. Breakthrough artificial intelligence technology automatically creates stunning websites with just a keyword in flat 60 seconds. Create and sell websites for rapid buyers in real estate, Airbnb, e-com, spas, restaurants, daycares, pretty much anywhere that you're going to in your life. And that's what this is all about. This is about being able to create websites and actually help businesses get customers, create their websites. Businesses need websites. Every single business out there needs a website. You probably have looked at some of these businesses' websites, maybe a local business that you go to, maybe a bakery, maybe a restaurant, maybe a spa, maybe a hardware store. I don't know. These businesses, they all need just a basic website presence online so that people can find them. And they want something that just looks nice. They don't need like all the bells and whistles that all these complicated softwares create for them. They just need a basic, nice looking website, and that's what they want. And they will pay you for that. And that's what this is all about here, is being able to offer them that. On the front end offer here, and I'm going to go through the OTOs as well, you can create and sell 50 websites. So that gets you started with that. I'm going to show you the OTOs also here. But with those 50 websites that you can create, if you go over to Fiverr, I mean, even without ever talking with people in your local community, there's like people need websites. Look, this one, I'll do website design and build a complete website. This guy's charging $175 for that. This guy's charging $100. This guy's charging $100 here. I mean, you could just do a few of these extra little sales online, and these are the cheap ones, right? These are the ones that are people are really selling for cheap. You can go to your local community, sell a website for $500, $1,000, charge a reoccurring fee to them to host it for them. And guess what? That reoccurring fee, hosting is included in this offer as well. So I get excited about these offers because I know that people need these services. My brother actually sells websites to local businesses, and he has his customers and clients that are paying him to do that for him. So I know that this actually works here. So anyways, hosting's included. The domain, they haven't included domain names, so you can actually keep it on their website if you want to, but they also have the option to use your own domain name. And if you're going to sell it to a business, what you could do is you could create like a mock-up version with this in their domain name, and then you could connect your customer's domain name to this. But still, this system hosts it for you, so you don't need to pay for hosting, but you can charge for hosting if you want to. So yeah, let's go down through here. Guy's making tons of money doing this. This guy's made $800,000 doing WordPress designs and themes and websites and stuff for people. This guy right here, $650,000. This guy here, $20,000 and $76,000 for creating websites for other people on Fiverr. That's pretty incredible. Look, I will create a website, WordPress website here. And people they say WordPress here. It doesn't matter if it's WordPress. They just want a website. They want something. The reason why they would want WordPress is because that's what people know. But with this, you're going to create something that's even easier to use than WordPress. Nothing to download or install, no prior experience, yada, yada, yada. Over 547,000 new websites are created and sold every day with this. Well, actually, I think that's in general. I don't think that's with this. I don't want to say that, but in general. So websites, so they talk here about like websites versus funnels. Customers don't want funnels, they want websites, and that's what they need here. So blah, blah, blah. Let me go down through here. Different options, like you could create it on these other platforms if you wanted to, but this is going to be easier to use. Now I just want to go down here. What I want to show you really quick is what you get here. So it's got stock images and stuff included. You can add your social media, free cloud hosting. You can do it for all these different websites. And this is what I want to show you. Okay, so there's a starter license and a commercial. Most people want the commercial license. It just gives you more stuff and it's just a little more expensive. So this gives you, you can create a website from any keyword, up to 50 websites. Of course, there's an upgrade to increase that. Mobile responsive. There's a marketplace inside. So if you need extra help, there's like adding things onto a website. There are freelancers that will do it for you. I don't think you'll need it, but it's there. ADA compliant, SEO friendly, custom code, file manager, lifetime hosting, free lifetime SSL. You can add your custom domain in. It's just got so much stuff here. Autoresponder integration, form builders, everything, and it's a one-time price for that offer there. So let me bring you over. Let's take a look at some actual websites created with this, and I'm going to create a website live with you in this demo. So these are some websites that were created with it. This one right here is a demo for a like a restaurant here. You can see it looks really nice. You scroll down through, it's got all these different like recipes and stuff here on this. It looks really nice. Look, they've got even like iOS things for apps and stuff, map location, contact us. I mean, this is all a website really wants, right? They want to like tell their story, have a page here about who they are and whatnot, and tell a little story about themselves. That's all they want. Contact us and reservations. That's all they want. Here's another one, a fitness place, a gym, and I mean, you can customize this for entirely for the gym and the business. That's all they want. They just want a place for people to contact them and call them. Here's another one here, a university hospital, medical services they offer. I mean, just looks nice. And of course, everything customizable. And then here's a law firm here. Clean, nice looking. This is all they want. And just a way of people contacting them. So how you can create these websites, here's the dashboard, and it's like you have all your different websites that you created right in here. You can have them all listed right there. And then all you do to create a website, let's do that. Create a website. And the first thing you do here is you pick your category. So they've got a ton of different categories that you can choose from, just like look, alarm system, allergies, angel investor, antique store, app developer, archery. I mean, just tons and tons of stuff. Let's pick a dentist. Let's see if they've got a dentist one here. Dentist. Okay, so I like that one. I'm gonna call this let's call this Bangor, Maine dentist. So like, let's pretend that I sold in my local area. So I'm gonna click next. And what it's gonna do now, it's gonna actually create a website automatically for you. And it just goes out there and it says, okay, which image do you want to use for this? Like that was a little bit crazy. So let's, this pulls all these images automatically for you. So I think maybe like this one's nice. Pull that one in here. So I got that one, and I don't like some of these colors here, so we're gonna change that. So let's go and click on next, and then you can upload your logo. So it does, I mean, as far as like your logo goes, you can pick and choose. If you've got something that you want to use here, you can add that in there. Let's see if I can grab one here. And I mean, I don't have a logo ready for this, but I can take a picture I have here on my desktop. So let's grab this one right here. This is a Where's Waldo little picture. You can add that up there. I mean, that obviously that doesn't make sense for this one, but you just want to take your logo for that. So I've got my little Where's Waldo thing in there. And then next, now you want to pick up your like your website style here. So I can pick and choose like what kind of colors I like with this. I always like clean colors, so I'm probably going to pick something like this one's nice. I don't like that one. See, this one is a little bit. Now, see what like, oh, it's actually not bad. Get your attention. I can go down here and pick some more. I don't like that pink there. Some more. That one's a little better. See if I do. Yeah, I like this one. Let's pick that one and click on next. And then I can click my style that I want to go with this. So if I click on that one right there, I can have my style be like that. Now that one, my image is a little too big for that. So let's say I really like that style, but my logo is too big. So I can go back and I could actually reduce that size there. Let's say I really don't like that logo. I want to go and I want to pick something else here. So let's just I'm just going to take an image for one of my reviews that I did here. So look, I can just upload that in there. And this is actually a really big image, but it automatically resizes it for me, which is nice. And I can make that bigger or smaller there, which is really important. I don't know about you, I've tried to, some of these softwares, I've tried to like resize things and make that look nicer. And I've actually had to hire people to do it for you. This one does it for you automatically. So let's go next. I pick my style. Next. Now I can pick my font that I like here. So however I want that to look. I kind of like that one's nice. Click next, and then you can add in your full details, and that will automatically fill that throughout your website. So if there's places for that, it will automatically fill it in for you. I'm not going to worry about that for now. Now I'm going to have it create my website for me. So here's my website. It's all created, all done for me. Now all I have to do is go in here. Now if I want to change something in here, I can just go and you can just click on these different things, and you can change the elements. You can change some different layouts. You can change. Look at all this. The section layout here. You can change the buttons here, the theme, all of that. You can change in your settings here. You can go up your contact information. So let's say you want to change the phone number here. You can do 207 666. Oh, that's kind of dangerous. That's kind of evil. 668. Go forward. There we go. Here's my phone number. I add that in there, and it's gonna change it automatically right up here. Let's say I want to change this stuff right here. I can just like go in here and easily type that in here. Let's see here. Bangor, Maine dentist. And you can play around with it. You can have you can add in links here. So if I want to have a link go out somewhere, I can have that go out like that. You can go and change all these different icons and everything. If I want to change this image, I can just click on that, and I can upload an image if I want to. I can change how it looks here. I mean, you can change. Everything is 100% customizable here, and it's just a nice little website that you can create with the software. You can preview it and see what it actually looks like. So this is what the website would look like when someone comes to it. And of course, like if you sell this to someone, you could take this image right here and replace that with the actual dentist, right? The actual person here. But really, like, I just think this is so cool how fast it is to create this and get it going. You can see what it looks like on different devices. So what's it look like on a tablet? What's it look like on a phone? You can see how that's gonna, so you make sure everything's looking good on all these different devices here. So let's go back over to, if we look how it looks like on PC and whatever. So this is what that looks like. Now, when you're ready to publish, now what you can do is if you want to just like show them this, or you can even host it on their domain if you want to, but a lot of these places will want to have their own domain. You can go to connect domain and you can search for a domain in here, and or if you already have a domain, or if you want to buy it somewhere else, you can do that too. You can, they've got tutorials on how to actually connect your domain, so you can have it show up on your domain instead, which I think is a really important feature to have in this. And then publish. Your site's published, and I can just take this right here. This is the website now, and I go back over here, I paste that in, and it just shows the website all done for you, and just super easy. You can sell these to businesses, so many different niches that you can use, and just really, I think is a huge opportunity to use. Now they've got some bonuses and stuff in here. So if you want to grab some of these bonuses that they've put in here, they also have the marketplace here, which I don't think you necessarily need to use, but if you need to like hire someone to do something special for you, you can. They've got all your domains in here, so you can see all the domains that you've attached. If you've been capturing emails, you can see where all your emails are, export them. They've got different apps that you can attach to this, so like different form builders and stuff. So if you want to attach this to your website, you can. And then you've got all your different settings in here. So that's the front end offer. Again, 50 websites on the front end. Let's go take a look at the OTO. So the first upgrade is going to give you unlimited websites with this. So this is going to give you unlimited websites, unlimited pages, unlimited stores, and you can create stores, by the way. I didn't even show you that. You can create like e-commerce stores and stuff too. For those of you that do e-com, unlimited free hosting on their ultra-fast servers, unlimited subdomains with advanced SSL included. So that's the first OTO. For those of you that want to get unlimited, you can pick that up, which is probably a lot of you. If you're going to do this, 50 is great, but unlimited is better. But you don't have to. If 50 is enough for you, then that's fine. Next one here, you can unlock the reseller panel and premium website designs. It's also going to remove their branding. So one thing that they have on the front end is your websites are going to have their powered by Aiwa branding on the websites at the bottom in the footer. So if you want to get rid of that branding, get rid of that link there, you can pick up this upgrade, and it's going to get rid of that for you. So if you don't want to, like you see here, it says powered by Aiwa at the bottom. If you want to get rid of that from your websites, then you can pick this up. It's going to give you faster loading speeds as well with that, and it's going to get rid of that. So that's an optional one. I think a lot of you will probably want to get it, but it's an optional upgrade. The next one here is start your very own website design and creation agency, done for you, set up with white label. So if you want to set up your own business, you get an agency license with white label rebranding. You can resell Aiwa accounts to people so they can do their own website design, and you can white label it so it has your branding inside the software. So that's pretty cool. You can actually sell this software as a service. Instead of just selling website designs, you can actually sell the website creator as well. You could actually bundle it together and say, hey, I'll create a website for you and I'll give you access so you can do your own editing. This one here is you can sell to clients 100% profit with their advanced white label solution for this. So this is unlimited white label. So this one is the agency one here. It looks like it's you can resell accounts, but this one's more for like you get unlimited white label, user management, 100% branding and personalization with this one. So this is just another version of that here. So you can pick that up. And the last one here is let our experienced team create websites for you, set up your agency site and get everything done for you. So this is a done for you. So if you want them to actually set everything up for you, done for you, 100 local business website funnels created for you, all done for you, logos and everything. This is a done for you service. Okay, so what do I like about Aiwa and what don't I like about it? If I say something that I don't like about it, I mean, they'd have that branding on the front end offer. So if you want to remove that, you do need to purchase that upgrade in order to remove it. Also, they only have 50 websites on the front end. So if you want to get rid of that limit, you do need to upgrade as well. So it's as far as like being upgrade offers, they're there for you. They don't, if you're someone that doesn't necessarily care about that or is fine with 50 websites, then you don't need to pay more for it. But if you want those features, then you're going to have to pay. What do I like about it? I think this is a really good offer. It's really nice, well done. I think it's a just like such a good idea to sell websites to businesses. This is something that is a tried and true way of making money in the local niche. You can sell these to online businesses as well. Everyone needs a website. Now you can easily create them and sell them to businesses and make a profit. Thank you so much for checking out my Aiwa review. If you want to take a look at Aiwa, go ahead and click the link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And if you've made it this far, click that subscribe button and bell notification. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.